To turn off or disable your screen lock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, do your screen lock. As the example, this phone is using pattern as the current screen lock. So we have to throw the pattern in order we can change the screen lock type to another. Now select none. A pop-up will appear to inform you that changing to a non-secure screen lock type will remove your biometric data for your security. Thus, if you are using biometric authentication in apps, you will need to register your biometric again to use those apps. If you like to continue the process, tap remove data. Tap remove to confirm it. Now the screen lock type in your phone has been disabled. Next, turn off the screen and then turn it on again. You can see that now you don't need to do any screen lock method like PIN, password or else in order for you to be able to use the phone. However, you have to remember that disabling the screen lock will give no protection for your phone because everyone can access your phone easily. If you have important or sensitive information in your phone, it will be better if you select one of secure screen lock type so you can prevent unauthorized person from easily accessing your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.